Assalamu alaikum. 61 million. Last year, a staggering 61 million people around the world passed away. Subhanallah. You and I were not one of them. Alhamdulillah. Instead, Allah continues to give us chances to increase our good deeds. The majority of those 61 million deaths were in Africa and Asia. So can we safely assume there were many millions of Muslims who saw their last Ramadan last year? You who are watching this video right now are blessed to fast another Ramadan and earn up to 700 times the rewards of your good deeds. We at the International Open University urgently request your collaboration in reaching the target of $140,000 this Ramadan to support our vital Learning Center campaign, aiding our thousands of African scholarship students with a life-saving gift of education. Please make a contribution of $500, $250, $100, $50, or whatever you can afford, and open your Sadaqah Jariyah continuous charity account in this blessed month. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows if you will see another Ramadan. Grab this opportunity with both hands. Visit the link below and let your actions earn you a mountain of good deeds in the afterlife. And lastly, don't forget to share this video and earn even more rewards. Barakallahu feekum, jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.